This is how I like my wigs. I love big hair. Yes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube page. In today's video, I'm bringing you another unit from Hotbeautyhair. Now, when you get the box, you will get 2 free stocking caps, a gift bag, and inside the gift bag, they will give you a comb as well as an elastic band, clips to hold your hair back, Barbie pins, and tweezers to pluck your hairline, as well as information card on their unit on how to care for it, returns, you know. So this is their Luscious bubble curly wig with bangs. I got it in the 8-inch. The color is Ombre copper blonde. This unit does come with 3 combs, 2 on the side, as you can see right there, an elastic band, which I love, as well as a comb in the back. So in total 3 combs, as well as adjustable straps. Now this unit is 100% human hair. The density of this unit is 180. So they do have this wig in 2 more colors. As you can see, I always get a size medium in this wig because medium fits me so well. At the top of the unit, it does come with like a closure. You know how when you do your little quick weaves, you make the little closure at the top. There's no lace on this wig. And guys, stay tuned to the end for my final thoughts on this unit. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video on this unit from Hotbeautyhair. And like I said before, this is how I like my wigs. I love big hair. Yes. Oh, it's just something about big hair. I just love the volume that it has in it. Now this wig is so pretty to me. The color is spot on. I love the color. I love this blonde. This is gonna be me all summer wearing blonde. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. I didn't experience no shedding at all, but you guys, you don't even have to put anything on this wig. You just take it out the box, finger comb it out. I was trying to see how it would look with this olive oil, is a wrap setting mousse. So I use this. It make your curls pop a little bit more right out of the box. I think this is a pretty unit. I'm definitely feeling this unit. It's so pretty, it's so vibrant. If you guys are interested in this unit, I'll leave all the details down below in my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. I'll talk to you soon in my next one. Bye.